In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ebook products in Shopify. Whether you're new to selling digital products or just looking to streamline your process, this guide has you covered. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the left panel and find the Products section. Click on that, and you'll see an Add Product button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and select that option to start creating your new product entry. Now you're on the product creation page. The first thing you'll need to do is enter the title of your ebook. A nice feature Shopify offers is its ability to automatically try to detect the category of your product based on the title. For many, it will recognize that you're adding an ebook and categorize it accordingly. If for some reason it doesn't detect it correctly, don't worry. You can manually set the product category right there and select ebook to ensure everything is accurately organized. Next up is the product description. Here, you'll want to provide potential buyers with engaging and informative details about your ebook. Consider including a brief synopsis, key themes, and any compelling benefits that make your ebook a must-read. Once you've crafted a captivating description, it's time to upload the cover photo. This visual representation gives your product a professional feel and can significantly influence purchase decisions. So make sure it's high quality and eye-catching. With those essentials in place, you'll now want to focus on the configuration of your ebook as a digital product. In this case, you'll want to disable inventory tracking, as there's no physical stock to manage with a digital item. Similarly, because this is a digital product, you also need to disable shipping. This simplifies the buying process for your customers, as they'll receive their purchase electronically, usually via a download link. Finally, go through the rest of the additional details fields. This may include setting up pricing, adding tags to help with searchability, and categorizing it under collections if applicable. Once you're satisfied with all the details, review the information to ensure everything is correct. After all those steps are completed, click the Save button and you'll have successfully added your ebook product to your Shopify store. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, your digital product is now ready for potential buyers to discover and purchase directly from your online store. Remember, the key to increasing sales is not just having a fantastic product, but also presenting it effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.